Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by securing your work. Create a full backup of the project folder and autosave files to an external drive so you can revert. Once done, export an XML of the sequence or save a duplicate project with a clear name indicating the current Premiere version. This lets you import into older builds. Make sure to record sequence settings, frame rate, resolution, color space, and codec, because older versions may not auto-translate newer presets, and you'll need those values when you reopen. You should install the older Premiere build using the Creative Cloud Apps Version Manager so you don't destroy your current install. That way you can run both side by side. If you must uninstall, keep your media cache and project backup safe. During installation, disable auto-update and Creative Cloud Sync to prevent unwanted upgrades. Once the older build is installed, launch it. Confirm preferences like media cache and scratch disks match, and ensure permissions. Allow access to your backed up project folder. Open the exported XML or the duplicated project in the older Premiere build. The app will attempt conversion, and you should review the timeline immediately. Relink any offline media by pointing to the backed up media folder, then inspect critical effects and transitions because some newer plugins or features may be unsupported and replaced. Render a short test export to verify timelines and codecs. If you encounter crashes or missing features, try clearing the media cache and re-importing the XML. That often resolves corrupt previews or incompatible cache files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.